Paano mag-create ng trading account with XM? Step 1. Copy and paste this link sa browser mo. If you are using a mobile phone, click Continue on the web. Next, piliin mo kung saang bansa ka nakatira. Then, ilagay mo yung active email mo and create your password. Then, go to your email and then click Confirm. And then, pag nasa members area ka na ng XM mo, click Verify now. Next is ilagay mo na yung details mo. Your full name, your birthday, and your contact number. I recommend na yung GCash number mo ang ilagay mo dyan. And then next, your address. Ilagay mo yung address na nakalagay sa ID mo. Example, yung address na nasa driver's license mo. Magagamit mo yan mamaya. Next, XM will ask you if nakapag-trade ka na ba ng at least 15 times. Just say yes. Next is document verification. Upload your ID for proof of identity, like your driver's license or passport. And ito yung ibang list na accepted IDs ng XM. XM will also ask for your proof of residency. Dito, pwede mong i-upload yung driver's license mo since merong address dun sa driver's license. Kung wala kang driver's license, pwede yung utility bills nyo sa bahay. Basta sa'yo nakapangalan. O kaya naman, barangay clearance. Then just wait for a few minutes. XM will send you an email if successful ang verification ng account mo. And then, balik ka sa members area ng XM mo, click Accounts. Makikita mo doon ang isang real account mo at isang demo account. And lastly, message me para masend ko sa'yo yung mga next steps. Welcome to the trading world.